I'm going to tell you whether Tangent Templates is worth the $59 purchase price by showing you how much I made using just one interior to create one book and how quick that process was. Now, my name is Paul Miles and I do videos on how to make it, keep it and grow it, and that's your money I'm talking about. And if you like videos like that, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and smash that bell to make sure you receive notifications as and when I produce the next videos. So first of all, what is Tangent Templates? Well, it's a suite of tools that you can buy for a one-off fee of $59 online. Now, there's no subscription, there's no monthly payments, no yearly payments, which is great. That's the business model I like. And so it's just a one-off fee and you get access to the suite of tools for life. Now, as a disclaimer, I'm not an affiliate for Tangent Templates. It's just a tool that I've used over the last year and has saved me heaps of time. And also, Catherine and Isaac do have a great YouTube channel, which I'll leave the link to below. And they also provide lots of tips and tricks on the digital inventory model, if you like, how to make money by creating a digital inventory. So not just low and no content books, but all sorts of things. So I suggest you go check them out if you have a chance. So when you go to Tangent Templates, which is at templates.tangent.rocks, and I'll again leave the link below, you come up with this page and there's the buy it now button and it costs $59. You give them your details and you access the site. So I'll just quickly log in for you and show you what you can expect to see. So here we have the templates for the interior design of the books, and it's quite staggering. I'll scroll down how many templates they actually do have. And if you click on this November, there's another 30 templates there. And also you can create your own interiors, planners and prompt interiors. And also you can design your own interiors. You can create your own custom interiors using the templates they provide. So it could be maybe a dot grid paper, dot grid sheet on one page, and on the other page it could be a graph paper, and you can create your own custom interiors like that. They have a category explorer, and they also have a listing helper which integrates with a Chrome plugin that they do, which saves you heaps of time when doing your KDP listings. So let me show you how much I made using just one of these interiors in one book over an 8-month period. So that's from June the 10th to February the 10th, 2020. So here we have Book Report, which is a great tool for analysing your sales of low content and no content books. If you're earning under $1,000 a month, the tool is actually free to use and it's a Chrome plugin. So I'm just going to scroll down. Here you can see my earnings per month. And here we have my best-selling books, or my top-selling books over the last 8 months. And you can see at the top is a book that I created using just one of the templates from Tangent Templates. And this has sold a total of 1,018 books for a total profit of $1,907.36. So let me iterate again. That's just off one template in one book over 8 months. That's made $1,907. So do I think Tangent Templates is worth the price? Absolutely. Every cent, every dollar, every cent, every penny. It's just $59 that I've spent and created one book that has made $1,907.36 in 8 months. But that's not the only benefit. The other benefit is the speed at which you can create one of these interiors. Okay, so I'll quickly show you how you can do that, or how I did it. So we're here at the Tangent Templates site, and you can see the interiors here. So let's say we wanted to create a dot grid notebook or dot grid low content book. So all you need to do is you click on the interior that you want. You click on your trim size. Let's do this 8.5 by 11. The page count, we'll choose 120 pages, which is, you know, the average number of pages in most of these types of books. And we keep that ticked on bleed because of the way that the design of the interior is. And we just click on download interior. And that's it, that's done. And all you need to do is when you create your book on KDP, you upload your cover and then you upload the interior that you've just produced. And there you have it, you've created your book. This has saved me so much time over the last year. And as you can see, it's made a reasonable amount of money for me. And so yes, I think it's worth every penny. And if you're serious about creating books, then it's something I'd recommend that you look at. Yes, it does cost money. You have to invest in it. But this is a business that you're trying to build. It's a business that you're trying to run, and you do need to invest money to make money. Now, if you can't afford it, then just start with the plain notebook pages, creating your own interiors on free platforms like Canva. And then once you've made some money, I would suggest considering investing in this suite of tools and increasing your productivity and hopefully help you make more money. So that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching.